Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with the LG B5 48-inch OLED TV. I bought this TV from the tag Best Buy product. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to use the tag Best Buy product on this video to get the latest price, offers, warranty options, and any available benefits. The first thing that impressed me was the OLED picture quality. Blacks look truly black. Colors look rich and vibrant, and the overall image has that premium OLED look that instantly stands out whether you're watching movies, sports, or YouTube. For movies and streaming, the experience feels incredibly cinematic. Dark scenes look detailed, bright scenes pop nicely, and everything has excellent contrast. Watching content on this TV simply feels more immersive. Gaming is also a strong point. Fast-paced games look smooth, response feels quick, and the OLED panel makes games look stunning with deep blacks and vibrant colors. Whether you're playing on a console or PC, the experience feels premium. The AI picture processing does a good job of enhancing content automatically, helping improve clarity and overall viewing quality without needing constant adjustments. The webOS Smart TV platform is easy to use. Apps load quickly, and navigating through content feels smooth. Everything from Netflix and YouTube to streaming services is easily accessible. Sound quality is also surprisingly good for a TV of this size. Dialogue sounds clear, and the overall audio experience is enjoyable for everyday viewing. Another thing I like is the size. At 48 inches, it's perfect for smaller living rooms, bedrooms, gaming setups, or even as a large gaming display on a desk. The design is sleek and modern, with thin bezels that keep the focus on the screen. Now, the honest part, like most OLED TVs, you'll get the best experience in a controlled lighting environment. And if you're a heavy user who leaves static images on screen for very long periods, it's still worth using the built-in OLED protection features. Overall, the LG B5 48-inch OLED TV delivers beautiful picture quality, great gaming performance, and a premium smart TV experience. It's an excellent choice for anyone wanting OLED quality without stepping into most expensive flagship models. If you're interested, make sure to buy it through the tag Best Buy product on this video to get all available benefits, offers, and the latest pricing.